This short video is a student's guide to the identification of Thuja occidentalis. The mature bark of this tree is long and fibrous, red-brown, becoming duller grey with age. I found the form of Thuja occidentalis to vary considerably. This tree, as shown, is a rather nice conical and upright shape, but others much more shrubby, breaking to 2 or 3 stems relatively early on. The small yellow male pollen cones emerge in March at the tip ends of lateral branches. And here's a close-up of one of the male pollen cones as it's finishing off and becomes a darker colour. And you can see it sort of protrudes from the end of the shoot on a short neck. The female flowers are very reminiscent of the shape of the final mature cones, typically a sort of butter yellow colour when they're receptive to the pollen. And these then develop into light green, upward pointing, long tapered but small cones. And then these dry at maturity to light brown. It wouldn't be unusual to see Thuja occidentalis with the sprays almost completely coated in these cones. They can be very prolific cone producers. The spray of Thuja occidentalis is noticeably more grey-green and paler than Thuja plicata. It still gives off a very strong fruity smell when crushed between your finger and thumb. And here the spray on the scaling sheet again shows this grey-green colour to the foliage. It's quite noticeable, even from a distance, that it's much duller than Thuja plicata. And here a close-up of the scale needles show that this greyness to the foliage comes from a sort of slight bloom associated with each scale needle, which you can see quite clearly here.